Welcome to G-Tech, your one-stop shop for tech news and reviews.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new episode of G-Tech. It's your favorite internet reviewer guy. Today we're back with a brand new episode on another TikTok shop product that I said I was going to review a couple of videos ago. So this is the QKZ AK3 high-res gaming earbuds. You might, like, if you scroll through TikTok a lot, you know, you'll find yourself with like, these are the best gaming earphones that you could possibly get for the money. And you know, all that being said, I've been using them for a while now, so let's kind of show you what comes in the box. They come in this little package. It's all got kind of some letters on there. You can't really tell what that says. Comes in this little travel case, and it comes with some extra earpieces or earrings that go around your ear, some extra inner ear pieces. I think it comes with a total of 6 different sizes depending on your size. Ear canal. I have a pretty regular ear canal, so I just kind of use the ones that came straight out the box. Comes in this little fresh package with this little logo on the side. And here is your first look. If you've never seen it before, they've got like a thin wired like rubber deal on them. It's see-through, or it's like smoke see-through, and that's it. 3.5 millimeter jack. So we've got some pretty intense drivers on the inside, and here's what I will say about them is, upon my first use of them, I noticed that they were extremely loud. I was definitely able to hear, you know, really well, but they're extremely loud. I like the overall presentation of the package it comes in. I mean, obviously the plastic is cheap. They were only $7, or like $7 or $5 online. They feel real, kind of like, you know, bargain base, stuff like that. But I mean, they do sound pretty powerful for the price. They got a pretty cool design, as you can see there, on the earpiece. And the way they go in your ears, I'll show you in the next clip. So we're gonna go ahead and get them put in the ear so you can kind of see how they fit and like the whole wraparound deal. And I wasn't really a big fan of the wraparound idea to begin with, but it does have these soft plastic tubes you can kind of see around them, and that's what the extras were that came in there. You see, it just kind of goes right in there. Here's the side with the microphone. And that's the fit that they have now. What I will say is, if you notice me talking a little bit louder, it's because the seal is pretty good, especially with the mediums. I just use the one right out the box, and they don't really fall out. You know, you do have to deal with the cord bouncing around or whatnot, but it sticks right into the bottom of your PlayStation controller or whatever controller you use. And the cord's pretty decently long. I mean, I got pretty long arms, and there's still plenty of room to go. It's lightweight, so you don't feel any extra weight. It's not like it's heavy or holding you down, but I definitely like the feel, and I like how the seal goes, especially if you could get it to push in and suction out. It's got a good strong seal, and you're not really going to use it turning around and stuff like that. It's not going to fall out of your ears. So I'll give you a little bit of idea of how it sounds. One thing that I get out of it the most is it does have like, I guess, passive noise cancellation, meaning just because of the suction deal. It doesn't say that on here, but it definitely keeps it real quiet, which gives it a boost, and it's inside of your ear rather than around your ear like these cans. So you get a lot more sound in your ear. So here's a little bit of sound, like what it sounds like when it's in my ear and you're standing next to me. It's pretty wild. So really loud feedback there, which is crazy. So you're going to be able to hear left and right there. You do get the surround sound as I fly in here in Call of Duty. I am hearing like things from the left and the right. Like I'll be able to hear somebody fly in to the left side. Overall, though, I'm really digging the sound. It is very, very loud, so I did have to turn it down in my headphones just overall. As I got wasted right there. But there is a lot of bass, so it's really, really bass heavy. But there is like a little bit of a tinny sound in the headphones as you go. So it's like a little bit sharper, not as refined as some of the more expensive headphones, but what do you expect for $7, right? As you can see, I'm able to hear, like I said, fully around. It's not that the sound isn't really available and loud. It's more that it's like not as full as other headphones. So like you could hear the reverberation of the footsteps and stuff like that. Here you can hear the footsteps, but it sounds real crunchy. I don't know another way to describe that. The microphone sounds good on the end. The people that I was talking to could hear me well. So it's not that it doesn't work. I mean, it's definitely something that I would use in a jam, or just to kind of give my over-the-ear headphones a break, just if it's squashing my ear for a long period of time. It definitely wouldn't be my first go-to grab, but it is something that I'm interested in using. And I definitely, if I need to hear more footsteps, let's say I'm having trouble hearing them, I will reach for these. So not bad. So all in all, the QKZ AK3s, that's a mouthful, QKZ AK3s. As you heard, the sound is overall really loud. It has a surround sound play, so one ear to left ear, left ear to right ear, kind of works really good. But what I would definitely say is, don't turn volume all the way up, because they're strong, but they're small but powerful drivers. They're a little tinny. It's not like the best audio quality that you're gonna get, right? I mean, at the end of the day, they are $6 or $7. But as far as like your bargain-based gaming headset and something to just pick up if you need in a pinch to have on you to use, that's going to be definitely passable. Microphone works great. I didn't get any feedback from our friends about the volume or whatever of my mic, so that's cool. As hearing in your ears and everything like that sounds great. Everything sounds good and moves good. You can hear extra footsteps, stuff like that. There is a little bit of a bass kick, as I said earlier, but what I will say is, for the money, I'm going to give them a 7 out of 10. I feel like if they were just a little bit better sounding, less tinny, I'd use them a lot more, because the loudness definitely helps in a game like Call of Duty. I wouldn't recommend it for any other game other than like FPS, first-person shooters or stuff like that, just because in general, I don't find it super necessary to hear all the sounds in, let's say, GTA all the way around you, or like NBA 2K or whatever. But if you just if you're playing Call of Duty and you're listening for footsteps or hearing people around you, Fortnite, whatever your battle royale game is of choice, or multiplayer first-person shooter of choice is, you're going to want to hear that surround sound. So it's definitely good for something like that. But I wouldn't use it for everything. So 7 out of 10, because the price and the sound quality is actually really solid. They did come from TikTok Shop, so there's that. I can put a link below down there for you if you guys want it. Let me know. Like I said in my last video, nobody commented the Easter egg in the background of any one of my scenes. So this time, what we'll do is, if you enter the number 8 in the comment section with whatever your comment is, we'll do a giveaway of you can pick either the headphones or the Android set-top box from last week, or the wireless microphone set that I have here. And we'll do that as a giveaway. But as I said, I will see you there. I'll see you at another time. Peace.